Let's go ahead and screenshot this entire website. That's a lot of screenshotting. If you want to scroll and take a screenshot at every page full of content, that would take forever. I've got a better idea. Let's just go to the very top and do the screenshot, the up volume button and the action button. Put the screenshot in the bottom corner, tap on it, and then tap on full page. And now we have a screenshot of the entire thing that we can scroll through. Down here it's blank because we're on Amazon and it loads dynamically. So for Amazon where there's dynamic load, you're going to have to scroll all the way down to load everything and then screenshot. But for other websites where that's not the case, you can screenshot the entire thing in one go. Then you just tap this check mark, tap on save to photos, and now that is saved. And websites is one of the only places you can do that. If we go into the settings, for example, where we have a page we can scroll through, if we try to screenshot this, it takes a screenshot, we tap on it, we don't have the option to switch to full page. And so inside of Safari is one of the only places I know of, the only place I know of, where you can do this. If you know of other places, let us know in the comments down below so we can all share in your knowledge. But I think Safari or even Chrome and Firefox, whatever web browser you have installed, might be the only places that you can do the full screenshot. And if you want to scan proof your phone, then this is the PDF that you want. I made it for you. It's totally free. Just scan this QR code or click the link in the top of the description or the pinned comment to access it and scan proof your phone this afternoon. And if you want to find more space on your phone, as in gigabytes of space, then this video is for you. So check that out next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.